All right, a little bit more about citizenship and what being a good citizen means. Means a community is a place where people work, live, or play together. Your your school is one kind of community, as well as like your home, your neighborhood. A citizen is a member of a community, state, and country. Ways to be a good citizen. Good citizens care about themselves and others. They listen to one another. They also help one another. A good citizen shows respect or concerns for others. When you are fair or just and honest with others, you are being a good citizen. There are many ways to be a good citizen at school. You can listen to other people's ideas. This shows that you have respect for them. You can share your own ideas. You can also help clean up and take care of school supplies. You can be a good citizen on the playground too. Be sure to take turns and be fair when playing. Remember to follow the rules and tell the truth. Rules tell us what to do and what not to do. Citizens in the community. You are a citizen of your community. Communities can be different sizes. A town is a small community. A city is a big community. There are many ways you and your family can help in your community. You can help plant trees in a park. You can help clean up a playground. The people who live near you are part of your neighborhood. They are called neighbors. You can help make your neighborhood a nice place to live. You can pick up trash, you can help a neighbor rake leaves, and you can say hello and talk to people you know. It is important to be a responsible citizen. Responsible means taking care of important things. When you clean up your room, you are being responsible at home. When you help clean up a park, you are being responsible in your community. Okay, so remember there are many ways to be a good citizen. Now you're going to go into Seesaw and do a sort where you sort the pictures into pictures that represent being a good citizen and pictures that aren't being a good citizen.